screen, while others who don't know behind the scenes, keeping all of their emotions slowly tucked away in a drawer. And some may be rich, and some may be poor. Oh, but to me, we're all just trying to get by in this mean old world. And some people keep waiting for the times to change, but time won't know you nothing if you got nothing to exchange. Well, we all have a name to make this world better. Let's work together and let this beauty remain. And we all just dream to cover up regrets. We feel our time is burning like a nut in a cigarette that's still smoking on the pavement, waiting for the rain to come and wash us down the road. Oh yeah.